Making a film is not rocket science, but making a film which can connect with the audience is. Possibly, wildlife filmmaking is one of the most complex form of filmmaking. One is to be always on one's feet, as your actors have a wild side to them. The vast expanse of nature is your stage. Budget is always going to be a factor, and the key is getting the most out of your gear. Editing and adding the right sound can add soul to your film and can mean all the difference. Let me help start an exciting journey, one you will never regret. This is Ashish Shah, and I welcome you to my workshop on wildlife filmmaking.